Now it's time to see what Chef Gaby has been cooking up on this week's edition of Campus Cooking.
Hi Sheridan, welcome to Campus Cooking. I'm Gabriella Aguilera and I'm going to show you how to make some pasta on a budget.
For this recipe, you will need spaghetti and any kind of seasoning package you want. There's several different options at your local grocery store. First, we need to start off by boiling the water. While the noodles are in the pot, you're going to want to make sure you stir them so they don't stick together. To check if your noodles are ready, grab one from the pot and try it. Now we can add the package of seasoning to the noodles and stir them until the mix is melted together.
There you have it, Sheridan, and that is how you make some delicious pasta on a budget. See you next time.